I'm now going to show you how to calibrate the guideWELD live system. We're going to select a WPS. And we're just going to go through these because we're just calibrating, we're not actually welding right now. And now we're going to take our gun, make sure our hand sensor doesn't move during this process. We're going to insert the gun, pivot it down to position 1, and hit the black calibration button. And then we'll pivot the gun back up, and again hit the black calibration button. And now with it calibrated, it should track angle as well as speed.